Welcome back, book buddies. As you can see, we have the incredible Peppa Pig collection. There are 50 storybooks here. So let's read together one of the stories today. Let's go! Canal Boat. Today, Peppa and George are visiting the dog family to celebrate Captain Dog's birthday. His cake has a sailing boat decoration on it. Open your present, says Mummy Dog. It's a boat trip, says Captain Dog. That's just what I wanted. Captain Dog puts on his captain's hat and daydreams about their trip. You can go anywhere you want with a sailing boat, says Captain Dog. He imagines sailing to a beautiful tropical island. Then Captain Dog imagines spotting a big blue whale from his sailing boat. He can't wait for the adventures to begin. Mummy Dog drives everyone to the canal. Where's the sailing boat? asks Captain Dog. No sailing boat today, dear, says Mummy Dog. We're going on a canal boat. Captain Dog is confused. It is a boat, says Danny Dog. All aboard, cries Captain Dog. He tries to raise the sail, but he can't see it anywhere. Canal boats do not have sails. Just push the button to make it start, says Mummy Dog. Oh, I see. Off we go, says Captain Dog. Chug, chug, chug. Captain Dog decides to go faster. You should slow down, says Mummy Dog. We're getting close to a mountain. Look out, shouts Peppa. We're going to crash. No, we're going into a tunnel, says Mummy Dog calmly. It is exciting inside the tunnel. It's all gone dark, gasps Danny, and our voices sound funny, says Peppa. This canal boat is fun after all, says Captain Dog. Soon they approach a second mountain, and there must be another tunnel, says Captain Dog. Actually, we're going over it this time, says Mummy Dog. We call this a lock. Carefully, Captain Dog stops the boat. Watch, I'll show you, says Mummy Dog. She opens up the gates to the lock and Captain Dog drives the boat in. Then Mummy Dog closes the lock gates and lets the water pour in slowly from the other side. We're going up, gasps Peppa. The boat is lifted up as the lock fills with water. Mummy Dog opens the gates and Captain Dog drives the boat out of the lock. We're in the sky, shouts Peppa. We're sailing over a bridge, says Danny. I've sailed through mountains and across the sky, says Captain Dog. This is the best birthday ever. The end. Bye.